Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today I have a very special recipe, only 2 ingredients to make a special 6-layer coconut birthday cake. Isn't that beautiful? 2 ingredients. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe, and make sure you watch all the way to the end. And also a big welcome to my return guest. So, this is the birthday cake I made for my mother's birthday, and it was so simple. Look how whimsical it is. Isn't that cute? So, the first ingredient is icing decorations from the cake aisle in the grocery store, and it will cost you, about $2. It's not very much at all. And then this is what they look like, and you can get whatever colors suit you. They come in different varieties actually. So the second ingredient, and this is the most important ingredient, is, and you need to listen carefully, the Pepperidge Farm Classic Coconut Layer Cake. Alright, so that's the main ingredient. So, here's how you do this. So, the directions: place one cake on top of the other, and place the icing decorations as you wish. Alright, and once you do that, you will have a completed 6-layer coconut cake. Now, let's look what it looks like on the inside. Look at those layers. Isn't that just amazing? With 2 ingredients. Oh my gosh, I just love this. Look how beautiful it came out. All those beautiful layers. Oh, I'm just so proud of my creation. So, will you try this at home? Let me know in the comments. And one last thing. April Fools, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Be safe, y'all.